Well, my dear friend, once again we are going to talk about adverbs of degree in order to explain all the parts of speech. As already we have seen that why they are called parts of speech, because speech, either we talk with someone or we write something, that is called speech, and different kinds of words are used in speech. They are kept in different categories. They are called parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, etc. So one by one we have discussed all the parts of speech, and in order to describing we have seen noun, pronoun, adjective, and now we are trying to understand adverbs of degree. Adverbs are the words which modify verb, they modify adjectives, they modify adverbs. Adverbs of degree, usually they modify adjective. Sometimes they modify verbs also, but they mainly describe adjective. Some adverbs of degree, they are very high, they are called high degree adverbs. Some are medium, moderate, and some are low degree. Some are approximate, some are enough, etc. In this way we have categorized them to understand them clearly. High degree, for example, extremely, completely, very, totally. Suppose she is beautiful, so she is very beautiful. It means I am trying to intensify, I am trying to make it very high up to large extent. When we ask the question, we use how much, for example, to what extent, to what degree. In this way we ask question. So someone is extremely beautiful, we can say very beautiful, extremely. It is extremely cold today, or it is extremely hot today. This answer is completely correct. This is totally wrong. So in this way we use high degree. Number 2, medium degree. Medium degree, not very high, not very low. If we want to modify something, fairly, rather, quite. So this is quite correct. So quite is not perfectly correct. If we use perfectly or completely, so that will be high degree. But if we say quite, so this should come in medium. Fairly, this is, for example, it is fairly good. It means not very high, not very low. This is rather better than that one. So this rather is also used as medium degree modifier. Number 3, low degree. Low degree means very little, somewhat, a bit, a little. So this is a little bit true. Or I can say I understand somewhat, or I am understanding somewhat. Number 4, we are going to see approximate degree. So approximate means almost, nearly. I have almost finished. It means less than high. Less than high degree, but more than medium degree. This is called approximate degree. I have almost finished the work. This work is nearly, I have finished this work. Nearly I have finished this work. Enough degree, I have kept few words in enough degree. For example, enough, sufficiently. She is old enough to drive. So she's old enough to drive. So old enough, this is giving negative degree. She is strong enough to run. This is correct. Here this is in negative sense. Sometimes she is too enough. She is too old to drive. This should be correct, because mostly to we use in negative sense, enough we mostly use in positive sense. So but here old this enough has been used also. Sometimes they are used in negative sense also. The room is sufficiently large. So sufficiently, it means it is sufficient to do everything. So in this way we have tried to categorize these adverbs of degree. I am sure you will get benefit from this if you try to classify for yourself.